Hi, it's Dr. Angelina with Surgical Arts and Ideal Body Institute. Today I'm going to talk about microdermabrasion. It is very common treatment. It is the basic kind of brushing your teeth treatment. So I always compare all the services to a dentist. I think it's easier to understand. So when I talk about skincare, I'm like, that's like brushing your teeth every day, right? You're going to do it morning and evening, and that's what you do. Microdermabrasion is kind of like cleaning. You have to come and clean your skin. Of course, our skin gets renewed constantly, and the old skin cells keep coming up to the upper layers of the skin and die, and every 3 weeks for most people we have a turnover. So if we don't exfoliate our skin every 2 to 3 weeks, then the old skin layers will kind of stay on top of it, exfoliate much slower, and therefore our skin texture will change. Potentially acne will be stimulated because now the extra layers of skin can hide bacteria in it. Mechanical action of exfoliation will stimulate the skin to build more collagen elastin as well. So I always say skincare at home twice a week. You're going to do your own exfoliation 2, 3, 4 times a week based on your skin type. And then you'll come to the office every 2 to 4 weeks to get your microdermabrasion or diamond glow. How much does it cost? That's our next question. So they're actually very affordable treatments. So plain microdermabrasion, where we just take those little crystals and blow them onto your skin with a special machine. It's kind of like sand blasting, sandpaper. The little crystal come out, they exfoliate your skin. At the same time, machine will suck out all the crystals right back into the machine, and then it will suck out the dead skin with it. Also, the suction portion will stimulate more blood flow going to your skin, that again will stimulate your skin to have more collagen elastin. The microdermabrasion cost starts around $80, but actually goes down if you buy packages. So we always recommend buying packages because doing one treatment is cute, but for constant results you need to do it constantly, so once a month at least. So if you buy a package of, let's say, 6, it's going to save you some money. Diamond glow treatment, it's a little bit more advanced. It's like a next level microdermabrasion. Diamond glow will use diamond tip grit. So it's a little grit that has little unevenness on top, and they come in different levels. So my estheticians will choose which one you need for your skin. And the grit will again exfoliate the skin while machine is working. At the same time, the suction will suck out all that exfoliated skin, the blackheads, impurities. Literally, you can see little skin chunks coming off the people's, skin sometimes. At the same time, Diamond Glow machine will infuse serums back into the skin. So some people will need hydration. Right now, we're coming off of winter. Everybody's staying at home. Skin's getting dry, dirty. This is the way to exfoliate, take out impurities, and infuse healthy glow, hydration. We have different kinds that will be modified based on your skin type or what we're trying to achieve. And those treatments start at $200. And again, if you buy a package, it gets cheaper. And with Diamond Glow, you get points to your Brilliant Distinctions account. And every time you get Diamond Glow, they give you $15 in points back that you can use back for the same facial in future, or your Botox and fillers. What are the benefits? Improvement of fine lines and wrinkles, improvement of acne scarring, hydration of the skin, also the feel of the skin, that exfoliated, smooth, baby skin. When you put your makeup on next day, if you use makeup, that will go so much smoother. You're actually going to save money on makeup because you're not going to need so much foundation, because it's going to go so much smoother on. Next question: can microdermabrasion help with acne? Yes, it can. All of that vacuum action can vacuum out a lot of impurities. Getting off that layer of dead skin regularly will minimize the amount of bacteria that can hide underneath the dead skin. That will also help. For people who play sports, for example, teenagers, or even adults, I'm sure there's plenty of adults who play sports and outside all the time. There's a lot of dust and dirt that gets into our skin, and so exfoliating that regularly will help to prevent future breakouts as well. Getting out extra oil, getting out all of those extra whiteheads as well, it will help to minimize your breakouts. Can microdermabrasion help with stretch marks? Yes, it can. Nothing really there that will completely make stretch marks disappear. What I really prefer to do, if possible, is use Morpheus 8 microneedling with radiofrequency treatment at the very high special settings that we developed to really get that collagen elastin built in the skin. It really helps to shrink those stretch marks, and then follow those treatments up with microdermabrasion treatments, which continues to stimulate collagen elastin development in those areas, because again, stretch marks are the areas of skin where we completely lost our collagen and elastin. It's like a bad rubber band. It lost elasticity. It's not going back in to where it's supposed to be, and it's stretchy. So we're trying to minimize it, shrink it, make it less red, because in the beginning a lot of stretch marks have that red color to them, and later on they turn white. So we're trying to minimize the color, make them smaller, shrink them, continue develop that collagen elastin, and improve results. And it worked great. Most common areas that we've been treating here, obviously abdomen. A lot of women after weight loss or after having babies, we use a lot of these treatments on abdomen. Breast, after breastfeeding or losing weight, we get a lot of stretch marks on the breast. It's a great area to get that going. And then some people, they need it on their hips and thighs. A lot of times it's genetic, where those stretch marks really show in those areas. And so anything that we can do to help, we will do. And we have many modalities. This is the most basic, simple microdermabrasion that you can do easily in 25 minutes.